All right, Evan, you ready for my favorite TV show?
Yeah, what are we watching? The Food Network?
The Wildcat Cooking Show, greatest channel on the planet.
Yeah, some days I feel unfazed, like when I'm with my friends with a cup raised, and I go right back at it like an automatic. More drinks, more songs, more beats to rap. A new era, rep my P's and those O's. Need the Phillies with the orange and black to feel home. From Citizens Bank back to Camden Yards, it's a tale of two cities, and trust we go hard. Trust we go hard, yes we go hard. You said we go hard, I said we go hard. Rocking my Bob Cousy, stocking up on the loose. The lyrics come easy, but the life is a doozy. And yes, I'm choosy, and no, I won't settle, but I still take pop off over that kettle, cause I'm talking bigger picture, and yes, I'm gonna hit you with the...
All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Wildcat's Cooking Show. In today's episode, we're gonna be preparing a nice lobster dish. We have our friend over here who has no fucking clue what's about to happen to him. Okay, so we're gonna start off the dish with putting in some bananas for flavor. We're gonna put in 2 bundles of bananas, whatever. I don't know.
Right on top of his head.
Bunches.
The lobster's getting a little
Stop
excited.
struggling. You have to stay in there. Stop struggling. Stay in there. Half-eaten hot dog. This is a key ingredient. Do not forget the half-eaten
It
hot
must
dog.
be half-eaten.
There you go. And a nice
there mustard
big
on the
old
hot dog?
long dick bread. Put that right.
Did the lobster just eat it?
Don't need the dick bread. I think lobster ate that one. We got a nice boot. That's good. Got a nice family photo I stole from the neighbors. We'll put that. I also got their computer. Now, guys, now we're gonna add a little bit of nacho cheese in this dish.
Yum.
And the final ingredient, some chocolate.
That's not a that's
Chocolate.
I don't
Now, it's bitch to boil, and everything should be all good in just a few minutes.
Oh shit.
Is it boiling?
Yes, it's boiling.
I don't think it's working. I think the stove is broken.
Did it work?
I think the stove is broken.
Wait a minute. I see it sizzling.
Oh shit! Look at this.
It's done. It's done.
That's all that's left of the lobster.
Fucking worst cooking show ever.
Can we cut to a commercial break? Oh god, guys!
Oh god.
Guys, the Germans are shooting. They're shooting asteroids at us.
Let's go to war!
Yes, charge.
Too many Nazis!
The Nazis have invented asteroid technology. Oh god. They took German engineering to the next level.
No.
How many seconds till we land?
30 seconds. Let's go.
How much more time?
42 seconds. We're here. We're here.
Holy
here.
shit! Go, 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 go!
Charge.
Ah!
You can make it! No, Captain America!
Oh shit! What the hell's going on?
Wake up!
What the hell's going on?
Go!
Oh god! It wasn't a dream!
15 seconds!
Go, 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 go! Get to the rope! I see the Nazi!
See him!
Let's go,
It's
let's go! We
Hitler.
gotta kill him! We gotta kill him! Go!
We're
Come
gonna
on,
kill this
Captain
bastard.
America!
Get up there! Get up that rope! Get up that
Go, go! Come on, man! Come on, man! Go! Go, go! Climb the rope! Climb the rope!
Fuck.
Get the Nazi! Get the Nazi! We have him!
you.
Surrender!
I can't
Surrender!
see.
Cease fire! Cease fire, or we
Quit.
will shoot!
Quit shooting!
Cease fire!
There we go.
All right, see, it wasn't that hard. Jeez, okay. All right, Captain America, make our country proud.
Are you tired
like
of your
how-
laundry being wet while you cook? Install a dryer right next to your fridge.
All right, ladies and gentlemen. We're about to race these fucking shitty golf carts around this track 1 lap. First one to finish is the winner. Gentlemen, start your engines.
Yeah, boy!
Yeah, boy. All right, ready, ladies and gentlemen?
I am ready.
On go.
I am the Brown Knight.
On your mark. Come on. Get set. Go.
Wait for me, guys!
Oh no! I gotta turn around.
How did I manage to come in dead last after all
Get
that?
Out of the way, Woody! Get out of the way!
Get out of the way, Woody!
Come on! What the fuck?
Woody,
Delirious!
move.
Who's that woman at the back of your car?
It's your mama,
Come on.
Goombas, fuck you!
Fuck this! Fuck this!
Oh, you asshole!
What the fuck?
Fuck this!
I ran over a Goomba!
Shortcut!
Stop! Don't wreck me,
shortcuts,
you
Evan, you dick!
There's a fucking elephant! A floating elephant!
Oh shit. Alright, guys, go.
Oh, fuck you, Woody!
Delirious, you cheater!
Out of the way,
You
Marcel!
fucking cheating bastard,
What are you
Delirious!
talking about? I'm following this guy!
What the fuck? I died from the
Someone is
elephant!
in front of me!
I fucking died from the elephant. That is not cool.
Oh, I got a flat tire! I got a flat tire! Stop!
Delirious fucking cheated. He's disqualified. He took a huge ass shortcut.
Who the fuck shot me? I'm making it. Wait a minute, hold on, I have to fix my car.
It's time to go into turbo
Repair.
mode.
Oh shit!
Repair. Repair.
You fucking asshole!
Go, get the fuck out of here!
They blew up my car. I got a replacement.
Repair!
Somebody's gotta call the safety car. There's a lot of damages to Delirious's car.
There's no damage, I'm okay.
Who broke my fucking car? Fuck you, Evan, you piece of shit!
There we go.
Yeah!
You guys' fucking eyes are just ridiculous.
The fucking death stare. Why is there so much bird poop all over your car, huh?
No, it's just my poop.
Alright, listen up, soldiers.
Oh god,
All of our men are dead.
the Germans
And we lost
are
all our
crazy.
eyes! We can't see anymore!
Oh god, I can't see. What the fuck?
We actually do have no eyes.
This looks like a suicide mission. Unless...
Hello, citizens. It is I, your American patriot,
Hell
Captain
Hydra!
America.
Unless a man with a helicopter magically appears and takes us to the top of that mountain. But that probably won't happen, so we're pretty much dead.
Yeah. You want?
Did somebody mention the chopper? Oh, God. Hey, what's going on here?
Hell Hydra!
Wait a minute, you're not American!
Oh god!
Yeah, we won the war! Yeah, 4-0, guess what? Hell Hydra!
Who's Hydra? Pokemon?
That entire skit made no sense.
I know.
Just because they're German doesn't mean they're not.
Hell Hydra! Wait, hold on. Nogla, press E on that.
Oh shit.
Bye.
Oh god.
Oh, it's a dud. Get in the drawer, bitch!
Shut the door. Oh, it's a dud. Wait, guys. Now comes in the special ingredients. All right, I have an assistant over
I'm
here.
hungry.
Get in the pot.
What the hell happened?
What a fucking disaster.
I'm in the wrong fucking movie.
Hey, what is up guys, Vanoss here, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I hope everybody is doing well. I just want to give you all a quick update on my controller sponsor, Custom Controllers, and the reason why I'm bringing them up today is because they finally finished my next-gen console controllers, so the Xbox One and the PS4 controller, and as you can see, they look pretty badass. They're very similar to my last-gen console controllers, which is what I wanted because a lot of you guys love that design, and also in case you guys are wondering, the Xbox 360 and the PS3 controllers are still on sale on their website. And yeah, if you guys are interested in all this type of stuff, feel free to go check them out. The link will be in the description. And if you do end up buying a controller this month, it's $30 off every single controller on their website. And with every purchase, you're entered to a draw to win a $100 gift certificate. And all that goes to the end of the month, so the end of July. But anyways, guys, besides all that, I just want to let you guys know the reason why I haven't been posting as often as usual in the last few weeks is because I've just been busy with real life stuff. You know, I'm going to be moving houses here real soon, so that takes up a lot of my time. And some of my videos actually do take quite a long time to make. For example, this video probably took me 25 hours in total when it comes to editing and getting the footage. And trust me, I'm not proud of that. That's not something for me to be proud of, because it just means that I'm slow at making videos pretty much. And I never expect anything extra from you guys when I spend more time on a video. I just wanted to mention that because it's important for you guys to know whenever I don't post as often as I usually do, it's not because I'm losing interest in making videos or I don't care about YouTube. It's because I'm either working on a bigger video or I'm just busy with personal life stuff that unfortunately has to take priority over making videos in those situations. And I know a lot of you guys do understand that, so thank you so much for all the support from those of you guys who do. But anyways, hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you all for watching, and I will talk to you all later.